Welcome to the digital age, where earning money online has become more appealing and accessible than ever before. This video will guide you on how to earn money online with the combination of AI and short videos. Let's delve into this exciting journey together. Artificial intelligence, commonly known as AI, is dramatically changing the world around us. Short videos, on the other hand, are a widely popular digital content format. These two concepts are a powerful pair when it comes to earning money online. But how? Hold on, as we unravel the curtain of mystery behind it. Now let's delve into how AI can help you generate income online. From designing sophisticated algorithms to predicting what kind of content will trend, AI plays a crucial role that can be leveraged to earn profits. Short videos are big business these days. Popular on platforms like YouTube, IGTV, Snapchat, and TikTok, they draw millions of views. Remember, more views mean more revenue. But what makes a short video worthy of those views? We have gathered some key strategies for your success. Combining AI's power to predict trending content and create engaging videos, with the popularity and earning potential of short videos, can unlock new streams of income online. Incorporate these tips into your digital strategy, and watch your online earnings skyrocket. Until next time, keep hustling.